All right, trade review time from Friday, January 9th, 2026. It was NFP day, some wonky price action early in the session. Had been trying to stay as patient as possible, waiting for a clean setup. Finally, literally, as soon as I turn the stream off, we get this pretty clean short setup on ES. Happened right around the 1037, 1040 mark. We get a nice tap into this 30-minute fair value gap, this bearish gap. Price comes down, creates this breaker when it closes below this previous low. We get an inversion of this 1 minute gap, and at this point, that's the perfect entry point for this trade. Wish I could say that that's where I got in. It's not. At this point, I was late to the party. I think I was grabbing a drink. I come back, I see this perfect entry here, and at that point, I'm saying, okay, I'm going to be patient, and I'm going to wait for a better entry. I'm going to wait for confirmation on the book map that I'm looking at, and we're gonna try to find a way to get on this train because price clearly wanted to go lower according to the book map. So I wait. I stay very patient here. Tap back into that inversion. Price starts pushing down aggressively right here. At this point, we create on this next candle, we create a 1 minute gap right in here. This is where I open the trade. I'll post the execution marks here on my story if you guys want to see, but get into the trade right here at the 90. We're targeting, I put my stops just above this breaker here, targeting this VWAP. That's ultimately what I wanted to see. So get in right there. Price comes down, touches into the CE of this previous 1 minute bullish gap right here at the 69.84 level. At that point, I took one contract off. I had opened the trade with two minis. I bought back one mini right here. I moved my stops to break even, targeting the VWAP still with one mini. Sitting here waiting, just watching it. And this is happening pretty quickly. Right there, my TP gets hit. I think it was right at the 750. Yeah, 69, 77.50 level. So hit full TP for $568, I think is what it was, across all my accounts. 11.75 points total.